Tight on counter space but want multifunctionality? The Cuisinart Kitchen Central is a compact unit that does the job of a food processor, juice extractor, and blender. Change attachments by placing them on the base and turning the dial to the desired function. As an 8-cup food processor, you can mix, chop, puree, shred, and slice with ease. The versatile blade is great for mixing and chopping, and acts as a dough blade to make homemade pizza dough in minutes. The fine and medium reversible shredding and slicing discs make prep tasks effortless, as the Kitchen Central does all the work. Create delicious sauces, dips, and breads for every occasion. The 40-ounce blender jar covers the full range of blending tasks, from creamy smoothies to delicious pureed soups and even desserts. If you want to incorporate additional ingredients without interrupting the process, just lift the pour lid insert. With the juice extractor, effortlessly turn fruits and vegetables into delicious and healthful juices. Fresh fruits and vegetables retain 95% of their nutrients during juicing for easy absorption and digestion. The juice bowl has a drip-free start and stop pour spout, which lets you dispense directly into a glass or container for ease and convenience. The 0.7-liter pulp tank will automatically capture strained pulp, which ensures the extracted juice is fresh, delicious, and ready to drink. From breakfast to dessert, all your meals are covered. All the removable parts are dishwasher safe for effortless and easy cleanup. Get creative in the kitchen with the Cuisinart Kitchen Central.
Introducing the latest addition to the Breville Precision range, the Sous Chef Peel and Dice. With all the features you already love and new peeling and dicing discs, this machine will do all the hard work for you in less time. With a chute designed for every shape, different dice sizes, you now have even more options to create masterpiece meals in minutes. Let's see it in action. The new dicing kits come in 3 different sizes: the 8mm for salsas, chutney and pie fillings, and the 12 and 16mm for vegetables and fruit salads. These different sizes are perfect for creating a range of different dishes. To create a fresh summer fruit salad, we'll start with the 16mm disc. The dicing attachment works by slicing and then dicing your foods. This 2-step process ensures even and precise cubes. Precisely dicing each piece of fruit into exact pieces results in an even balance of flavour from all the different fruits in your dish. Once done, add some berries, a squeeze of lime and some fresh mint to garnish. As you can see, creating up to 2.5 litres of diced fruit in under a minute will not only save you time, but give you perfectly consistent shapes, resulting in a tastier final dish. Next up, we're going to make a potato gratin. This machine takes on what would normally be a chore by doing all the peeling and slicing for you. Insert the peeling disc, place unpeeled potatoes onto the disc so that the bowl is filled. And watch as it peels 7 potatoes in record time. Once peeled, swap out the peeling disc for the adjustable slicer. The adjustable slicer has 24 settings between 0.3 and 8mm. For this dish, turn to 2mm. Let's see the processor slice our potatoes. Now we want to shred the cheese for the top. Attach the reversible shredding blade, place the cheese through the chute, and use the pusher to grate. After we've arranged the potatoes into layers and poured over the sauce, we're going to sprinkle the cheese and bake until crispy and golden. After that has finished baking, we're left with an absolutely delicious potato gratin for the whole family to enjoy. The Breville Sous Chef Peel and Dice is the ultimate addition to your kitchen. From quesadillas and gourmet pizzas to fresh salads, the range of meals and dishes you can create is endless. With an extra wide chute and an extensive range of 10 attachments, it takes all the hassle out of your meal preparation. Save time and cook with precision. If you want to try any of these recipes at home, just click the link below and head to our website for more delicious dishes.
The Black & Decker Easy Assembly 8-cup food processor. Meal prep made easy. With the Easy Assembly food processor, it's just set and go. The innovative design lets you just set the bowl down onto the base and start processing in seconds. The stainless steel S blade and the dual-sided slicing and shredding disc prepare a variety of ingredients fast. Slice whole vegetables for a salad. Shred cheese for easy melting. chop vegetables to create delicious, fresh salsa. The 450-watt motor can handle a variety of tasks. With 2 speeds and pulse, operation is simple. You'll enjoy peace of mind with a safety interlocking lid. It makes sure the blades don't spin until everything is secured into place. When you're done slicing, shredding, and processing, cleanup is simple. The 8-cup work bowl, lid, and cutting attachments are all dishwasher safe. Plus, the touchpad controls are easy to wipe clean. The Black & Decker Easy Assembly 8-cup food processor, the fast way to delicious home cooking.
Save time and space with the Magimix food processor. It truly is the most versatile and invaluable addition to any kitchen. From starters to dessert, Magimix makes life simpler in the kitchen for everyone who's passionate. The powerful and efficient ultra-quiet induction motor is guaranteed for 30 years. All it takes is one button and the Magimix motor automatically adjusts the power depending on what's in the bowl. Magimix food processors come with 3 bowls, the Mini, Midi and Main. The Mini bowl is ideal for chopping, mixing and combining small quantities, from a delicious pesto sauce to the perfect 1-egg mayonnaise dip. The Midi bowl is perfect for slicing and grating all your fruit and vegetables. The extra-large feed tube allows slicing both length and widthways for creating perfectly uniform slices with ease. There's no limit to what you can do. Let your Magimix be your sous chef and process your ingredients in a fraction of the time. The main bowl is for chopping, mixing and combining large quantities. The stainless steel Sabatier main blade crushes ice and chops the finest and toughest of ingredients all to a professional standard. Together with the patented blender mix ring, you can blend the finest soups and sauces, airiest pancake batters and smoothest smoothies. Homemade deliciously golden pizza bases and moorishly flavoursome pie crusts are at your fingertips at the touch of a button. Knead pasta, pastry, brioche and bread dough all in a matter of minutes with the dough blade. And with its dynamic kneading technique, it ensures a professional quality, giving you unbeatable results every time. And finally, with the egg whisk, you can create the fluffiest egg whites, puffiest soufflés and showstopper pavlovas with ease. Built better to last longer, its bowls are truly shatterproof. All parts and accessories are made in France and they're dishwasher safe. From starters to dessert, a Magimix food processor makes life simpler in the kitchen for everyone who's passionate about making good food.
Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, and this is the Cuisinart Mini Prep Processor. It's great to do little handy food prep tasks at home every day. It's 3 cups. It has a really nice, generous work bowl, so you can do things like a small batch of guacamole or tuna fish or chicken salad. It's perfect for chopping nuts, herbs, onions, and also making small batches of purees also, or something like a hummus. So this is your lid, and this little piece here has to be engaged in the side, and that is what allows you to operate the product. If it's not in place, this will not operate. So that's something to keep in mind. The other thing that's nice about the lid is it has 2 small holes in the top. And sometimes people miss this feature, but it's great for when you're adding oil to make a vinaigrette or any type of liquid that you would want to add to the processor as it's actually operating. The other thing that's nice too is that you can remove the entire mechanism just by twisting and turning. Let me show you the blade inside. This is your chopping blade. And the really cool thing about this chopping blade is that it automatically spins in different directions depending on what you're actually chopping. So just remember that when you're chopping items, those items are soft. So the things like herbs, onions, anything soft. Anything hard, you're going to use the grind feature. And the reason is that when you're chopping, you're going to use the sharp part of the blade. When you're grinding, you use the blunt side. So it switches automatically. So let's go ahead and make a recipe. Today, I'm going to be chopping some herbs for, this is almost like a little marinade that you could use to top chicken or fish. So it's really simple and easy to make. First, we're going to chop the herbs. And the other thing is that if you hold your finger down on the button, it will run constantly. If you just press and release, you'll be pulsing. And you see how quickly that chopped the ingredients very finely. So I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper and a tiny bit of salt. And I'm going to show you how to add the oil while the machine is running. Smells really delicious. It's simple and easy to do and super efficient.